listen, y'all been asking me how to apply the vinyl on the Hobby Lobby board, but guess what? I got a tutorial for you, so y'all, let's get into it. Just wanna be your girl. Welcome back to my channel. So listen, if you don't know me by now, my name is Kiera Choice and I'm with the PPG Academy, and I'm here to give y'all another tutorial. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like my video. So let's go ahead and get started. Lobby panels, the viral panels that you've been seeing all over TikTok, all over Reel, but guess what? Some of y'all need help. So if you have not watched the last tutorial of how to design, make sure you check out my other YouTube videos, so that way you can learn how to design and still make that extra money, right? All right, so listen, y'all see only two things in my hand, right? So I got my squeegee and I got my artwork. So if you don't know, if you've been following me on TikTok, if you've been following me on Reels, I have my own print shop. I have a rolling. So I am using my rolling printer to print out these Hobby Lobby panels. So listen, y'all, if y'all can come over here and see my rolling printer, best investment. And also, if you want to learn how to be your own print shop, you can go ahead and grab my ebook, which is listed in the comment section, in the description box, so that way you can go ahead and be your own print shop. All right, so now I'm going to tell you, when I say that this is a game changer, it has been a game changer. I was able to utilize my Hobby Lobby panels probably about 4 or 5 times, because these are removable adhesive vinyl. So even if, you know, it's another party, another theme or whatever, I can just take this off and apply the rest. So I'm going to show you guys how to easily apply it. So if you're going to purchase with me at my print shop, you're going to get 3 pieces. You're going to get the left and the right, and you're going to get the middle, right? So we're going to start off with the left and the right and then work our way right. Alright, so when you order your prints from me, it's going to basically be like this. And guess what? It's already pre-cut for you. So only thing that you have to do is take this off. This is like, you know, the leftover paper, and you need to hold down on it so that way it can pop up. All right, so y'all see that? So it is already pre-cut for you, so you don't have to worry about cutting it yourself. It is already pre-cut for you. So only thing you have to do is just take off the excess white paper. Okay, so that's what we're going to go ahead and do now. So when you get any prints from me, you're going to have to take all the leftover paper off. Okay. All right. All right. So I got this. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the rest off of the white paper. So I'll be right back. Get started with our left or right panel. It really doesn't matter which side you use, your left and right, because they are the same dimension. So in the description box, I do have the dimension, and also I have my template if you just want the template and you want my mock-up, or if you want to join my academy, you can also join the academy to learn how to make your own mock-ups to make your passive income with digital products. Okay, so for me, I'm actually going to lay down my my Hobby Lobby panel boards. So if you know a great technique for us to do it, make sure you jot that down in the comment section so we'll know too. So I'm actually going to lay this down and we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to fold this back and I'm just going to lay this down on the floor, because to me, I feel like it's easy for me to apply it. So I'm going to lay this down on the floor. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go Uh-oh. About to break it. Don't do that at home, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll this up because I find it when you're rolling it up. Okay, I didn't break it. Kind of, sort of, I did. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I did that. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and roll this up. Okay. And for those who don't know, you can go to your local Hobby Lobby and buy the panels, or you can order it on Amazon, or you can order it on Hobby Lobby website. So only thing that I provide is only the prints. Only the prints, where you can get on my print shop, which is also in the description box as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and roll it up. Okay, so I'm just going to roll it up. Hold on. Roll it up. I'm trying to figure out which way I'm going to do it. I'm going to roll it up this way. No. I'm going to roll it up this way. Sorry, y'all. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to roll it up. Let me actually cut this piece. Hold on. I'm going to cut this piece. Okay. Alright. So I'm just going to roll it up. And honestly, I can really trim more of the excess paper if I want to. But I'm going to just leave it like this for now. Alright. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying it on the board, okay? So I rolled it up, and shout out to the Royal Event for, you know, taking their event class and learning the technique of how to like wrap a floor decor. So the technique I got is from Shanice, and she is the owner of Royal Event, and I attended her class I think like last year or so, just because, you know, at one point I wanted to be an event planner, but no. But anywho, shout out to her, and I'm going to apply that same technique that I'm doing to this board, or you can use whatever technique to apply to the board. So like I said, I'm only using my squeegee, and that's it. All right, so I already rolled it up, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to the board. So now watch me, where I'm going to basically apply this. I don't roll it up, but I'm going to grab the end of it, and I'm going to try to place it on the board. Okay. All right. So hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing. All right. So you want to grab back the end part, and basically it's kind of like you're rolling out the red carpet. So picture that you're rolling out the red carpet, or it's your wedding day and they're rolling out that white carpet. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to make sure, and also, and I forgot also, your other material will be a X-Acto knife. You're going to use that X-Acto knife, and you're going to you know, trim off the excess, because it is going to be some excess paper. With anything, it's going to be some excess paper. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply this just like this. All right, so let's get the rolling, you guys. Let's get the rolling like we're on a red carpet. Y'all see how this look? I want to make sure that, and also it's removable. So if anything happens, you can also take it apart. Take it apart. Okay. All right. So I'm just rolling it, y'all. I'm just rolling it. Y'all see? I'm just rolling it. And I need to take it up a little bit so that way the corners are not showing. I don't want to use this just yet until I have it nicely on the board. Okay. All right. So now I have it nicely on the board. So then that's when I'm going to use my squeegee, okay? All right, so I'm just going to use my squeegee and I'm just going to go down. And then what I'm going to do is, you see that excess piece at the bottom? I'm going to tuck it behind, okay? I'm going to tuck it behind. So just like this, I'm just tucking it behind. So remind you, I said you're going to need your squeegee. I mean your X-Acto knife so you can trim off the excess piece, okay? So you can trim off the excess piece. Okay? And you see how easy that is? You see how easy that is. And remember, when you are designing, you do not need to design at the top. Do not design all the way at the top. My template will show you where you need to stop if you are having trouble. Okay? All right. All right, so now what I'm going to do with the excess is I'm just going to tuck it, and that's it. I'm just going to tuck it. Alright, so I'm just going to tuck it. And then I love with this, it's so affordable for birthday parties, for anything that you're doing. And I'm just tucking it. I'm just tucking it behind because at the end of the day, you're not going to see what's behind it because it's going to be nothing but balloons. Okay? Alright. And then I'm going to fix this later once I get everything applied, and then that's when I'll start doing the trimming and the cutting once I get everything applied. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with the middle. So we're working our way towards. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the middle. Like I said before, we're gonna roll this up. We're gonna roll this up. This is the technique that I learned, and I'm gonna apply it to the Hobby Lobby. Okay. Alright. So I'm gonna apply it to the Hobby Lobby. so we're doing the middle now. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. I'm gonna get my squeegee. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply. All right, so here we go. And like I said, it's just a walk in the park, like you're rolling out that red carpet, or you are getting married, something like that. Listen, we finished wrapping the Hobby Lobby panels, and this one is a memorial design. So listen, you can use this panel for any special occasion. It can be for weddings, it can be for birthdays, it can be for memorial, it can be for baby shower, anything that you can make with church events. Anything that you can do it, and you can wrap it. And then once I'm done with it, I can just take this off and then put something else on here. Simple and easy. This is glossy removable vinyl, and it's not going to harm your boards. So y'all look at this. This is so beautiful. Y'all see this design? So listen, if you want to learn how to design this exact design template, make sure you check my other YouTube videos, so that way you can learn how to design this. And guess what, y'all? Come here a little bit closer. Come here a little bit closer. A little bit closer. Listen, this was actually designed in Canva. So I'm showing you how to design something beautiful inside of Canva. Like, y'all, this is a Canva file. Like, this is a Canva file. So yes, this is so beautiful. So I'm gonna get out the way so that way you can see it. But then again, my camera is following me. It is following me. So hopefully you're able to see this beautiful design of this memorial panel. Okay? So thank you for watching. Please tell me in the comments if you enjoyed this tutorial. Was it easy? Is it something that you can do? Let me know. And thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Bye.